popping over here into the left drawer, we can see what the template gallery looks like. We've got over 150 templates relevant to work and personal productivity, ranging from use cases like games and icebreakers, daily check-ins, stand-ups, retrospectives, surveys, etc. So you can scroll through those several hundreds of options, or you could filter by use case. So we can go in here to find workflows dedicated specifically to employee engagement, to games and icebreakers, HR and recruiting, hybrid work, internal comms, performance management, personal growth, personal life, productivity, rewards, incentives, sales and customers, surveys, team communications, workshops, etc. And of course, if you want to build a flow from scratch, you're welcome to do so by hitting this Start from Scratch button here. So that is the template gallery. Jumping into a specific template, we can see you'll preview the description, the title, who actually authored that template, the type of template, the trigger of that template, how many blocks or how many questions are associated to that template. And you can actually go and preview what it would look like to participate or respond to that workflow. From there, obviously, you can go back to browsing or use this template, which would take you directly to a completed workflow where you can go and you can set the schedule, or you can start to invite your participants.